Hello thrillers, welcome back to this channel. This is a tutorial on how to make these beautiful scrunchies that will make you look different from the conventional way of just packing your hair to spicing up your look just with a little touch. So let's get right to the video. I have a shade that for some reason was discarded, but I decided to upcycle it. So here I have unfold 2 inches unfold, that is in total 4 inches with the sewing allowance, and I'm just cutting it out. And lengthwise it is 23 inches. You can use more or less. I also cut another one of unfold 3 inches plus 0.5 inch sewing allowance, and that is 3.5 inches. So in total I have 7 inches unfold. So I just marked it and I'm cutting it out. Then also lengthwise I have 22.5. You can use whatever you want, use your discretion. Then at this edge I'm just trying to make a curve just as you see me do, and I will trim it off. I don't need that part. Then I just notched the center. Then here is another fabric of 2.5 inches wide, both the sewing allowance. Then I will just fold it and sew it that way. I also have an elastic band and just measure it the way I'm doing. That's the technique I used. It's funny, but that's the technique I use. So I have 6 inches and I added just 0.5 inch allowance. Then on that first one, I'm going to turn it to the wrong side and sew it on one side. Then this one too, turn it to the wrong side, and from one part you start sewing and get to a point, stop, do the same for the other side and leave like 2 inches opening. Is our escape route. So I've done this one, and with my pencil I'm just going to turn it out inside out, that is turning it to the right side. And for this one too, from one side, remember we have an escape route. Yes, our escape window. So just do as you see me do. We are just turning it out from that side. So we are done with this. You can go ahead and iron this. Then I grab my elastic band, and with my pin I will secure it just as at one point. Then I will use this pin and pass the elastic through the fabric. Just make sure you arrange everything properly with your band still straight. Then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine as you see me do and sew it very well several times. So this is it. Then the next thing is I'll make sure that one side of this fabric, I already have it sealed or folded inside. As you can see, the frail part is not showing. So I'm going to sandwich the other side in between it, take it to my sewing machine and top stitch. And this is what I have here, well sealed. So I'll grab this one that will serve as the band, and I already have sewn it. So I'll turn it inside out, and after that you notice the side with the seam, I'm pressing it to be in between, so it will be in between. Then I will grab this, fold it. I'm trying to get the center, so I marked it with my chalk. This one, remember, I'm making use of that side that I sewed on top. Then you put it together this way, just as you see me do, and you can decide to first tie it together with a rope before this one, but I just did mine straight. So this little band, the seam side is showing upwards, like the seam side is out. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew it that way. Then when I'm done, I will turn it inside out so that it will seal that seam side. Of course, you can use a needle to do this. So I'm done sewing and I'm trimming off the excess, and after that I'm just going to calm down and turn it from inside out. So I'm just using my gum to press down some parts to seal up some parts, and that is all. And this is one method you can do this. Another method is this. Just as you see me do, you just knot a tie there. You just knot a tie and gently arrange it very well. I hope you recreate this, and please, when you are done with this, send it in the comment section. Let's see what you've created. You can add all the simple little spicy beauties to yours. Thank you very much for watching. That is all. These are the two methods. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe to this channel. It's all love from here. Bye.